Hi there, it's Ronnie, and it's obvious that many are afraid to work on super short time frames. But I believe that exactly 10 seconds show the market most clearly, if you use the right tools and stick to logic. I don't need to sit at the chart for weeks to grow my balance. So today I'll show you a strategy that allows you to start with $170 and grow the account to $7,000 in just a few minutes, without guesses, without chaos, and without a dozen of indicators. And if you have any doubts in what I say, just check it out yourself. And if you want to stop doubting every decision and work with a clear system, check out my Telegram. There I trade in real time, explain my entries, and give an access to copy my trades automatically. The format is free, transparent, and completely under your control. Every day, I publish working strategies that are only available in our closed community. There are almost no free spots left, so hurry up. Check out the link below this video. So before starting the trade, I'll set up my platform because I want to get the most accurate readings. I set the chart type to candlestick. The time frame is very short, 10 seconds. I'm taking the ADX and CCI strategy as the base. So now I'll set up each one. ADX, I'll set DI to 7. This is a faster definition of direction. For the style, I'll remove the ADX line. The plus will be light blue and the minus yellow. We'll focus on these. Now CCI. I set the period to 10. Such a short period makes the indicator fast and sensitive, and it reacts well to short market surges. For the style, I'll make the channel color white and the line a more saturated light blue. I'll make the channel boundaries brighter. CCI shows the reversal moment, overbought and oversold conditions. ADX filters tells you when you can trust the chart. So let's begin. For now, I'm ready to open a series of trades, and I have already found, in my opinion, a successful option. So I'm opening to the upside for $171, trade time 1 minute. Right now, I'll show you in more detail what exactly I'm gonna do. So look right away. The yellow line, these are the sellers, was on top, but the light blue line crosses it from bottom to top. This is a direct indicator that buyers are taking control and sellers are giving up positions. Next, CCI was deep at the bottom. This is oversold. Then the line sharply reverses upward and exits this zone, meaning the decline has run out of steam and the market is ready to go up. So you can see the momentum of strength is completely changing. Green candles are appearing. The lows are getting higher, meaning the movement is truly reversing. So the market has already reversed, and I entered confirmedly at the beginning of new movement. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and it brings me $328. Quite excellent. We keep going. Here's another interesting trade. I'll open it to the upside for $328. So look, ADX shows a shift in strength. The yellow seller's line was higher, but the light blue one crosses it from bottom to top. This is the moment when buyers take control. CCI says the same thing. It was in oversold but sharply reverses upward. This is a sign that sellers have run out of steam and the market is ready for growth. The candles confirm everything visually. The price is confidently moving upward. So the market has already reversed and is going up. And this trade brings me $630 to my balance, which is quite what I expected, so we continue. And if you want more clarity and less doubt in each entry, you'd better check out my Telegram. There I conduct trades online, commenting on every action and offer the ability to repeat my trades automatically. The link is below this video. Write to me and I will add you. So we continue, and I'm opening again to the upside for $630. On ADX, the light blue line sharply rises and exits above the yellow one. The market switches in favor of growth. CCI is confidently directed upward and enters the positive zone. This is a strong impulse, and a series of powerful green candles pulls the price almost to the upper boundary of the range, confident movement without resistance. I entered clearly with the trend, not by guesswork. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and yes, I was right, and I got $1,210 to my balance, which is quite excellent. I'm entering the next trade. It will also be the upside for $1,210. ADX, the yellow line is falling, the light blue one is rising, strength is shifting to growth. CCI was in oversold and reversed upward. The market is ready for a rise. The candles show a reversal sellers are no longer pulling the price down. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and I get $2,323 to the balance. Very, very well. We keep going. So I continue further, and I will be opening trades to the downside. The first one to the downside for 1,015. ADX, the light blue one, is dropping. The yellow one is rising higher, the best indicator for downside entry. CCI reversed downward. The market is ready to move down. The candles show a reversal from above. The rise has stopped, tails and red candles have appeared. The price is confidently going down. The trade goes with the market movement. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and it brings me $1,948. Very, very well. Let's keep going. So the next trade to the downside for 1,360. ADX shows that sellers are taking over the initiative. CCI gives a sign that the market is overheated at the top and is going down. The candles show a clear reversal. Sellers have sharply joined in. Therefore, the trade is justified. The market has already started to go down. And the trade brings me $2,611 to the balance. Excellent. So I'm opening another trade again to the downside for $1,070. ADX shows the transition of strength from bulls to bears. CCI shows that the market was overheated with buying. It's more logical to move down. The candles show the stop of growth and seller pressure. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and it brings me $2,054 to the balance, which is pretty much what I expected once again. So to finish, I'll open one more trade to the downside for $1,670. From ADX, you can see strength is shifting to the side of decline. CCI was high in overbought and reversed downward. There is no longer enough buyer strength. The trade is justified, and the market has started to decline. So we're waiting for the trade to close, and it brings me $3,206, and I'm very, very pleased with today's session. So if you want to trade clear and quickly, not waiting for a signal for half a day, then simply apply the structure that I just showed. Or just go to my Telegram, because there I trade live, show you pretty much everything I do, and you will have an opportunity to copy my trades automatically. I hope to see you there. Stay tuned.